Hi guys, David Durnell from RV Wholesalers back with another Hey RVW. We had a customer ask us, hey RVW, what is RVW Bill Pay? Very simply put, RVW Bill Pay or RV Wholesalers Bill Pay is when you're on the road, you go to a service center that will not do your warranty work as warranty. So they don't want to wait and get paid from the factory. A little bit you can understand it because you're coming through and you're going on, right? You don't live there. So they're worried, what do they do if the factory doesn't pay the warranty work bill? So what we do so that our customers are not out of pocket any money at all is we cover the bill. So if you're on the road, you get a repair done, the service center we find for you or you find on your own will not do it as warranty work. No big deal. You send us the estimate, we get it approved through the factory. Then when the work's done, you tell us, hey, work's done, looks great, I'm happy with it. We go ahead then over the phone with a credit card, pay that service center. You can take off, you're good to go, and then we go and fight the factory to get our money back. But that is exactly what RVW Bill Pay or RV Wholesalers Bill Pay is. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page.